Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be opening a pair of shoes I just got in the mail. These are a pair of creepers. I ordered them off of eBay and they were really cheap, so I thought I would give it a shot. They were only about 15 bucks or so with free shipping. So let's see if these bad boys are exactly what I ordered. Alright, so first thing to note, this is very light. And also, they managed to fit this in my little mailbox. So I was very surprised. I'm also glad because typically when I get shoes in the mail, they send them in a bulky box. So I was glad to see that, but also like literally it's the shoes. Like there's nothing protecting these or covering them, and they came straight from China. So hopefully they are okay. They're not dinged up or damaged in any way. I ordered a size 8, even though I'm normally a size 7.5, because the last time I ordered shoes from China off of eBay, they were too small, and that was really upsetting. So they were really cute. They were a pair of cat platforms. They were like suede. They were really cute, and I had to sell them. So hopefully these will be the right size. I did like take them and measure them compared to another pair of shoes I have, and it looks like they'll be correct. So let's see how it is. Got my scissors, open it up. I'm worried I'm gonna like cut into the shoe. Maybe I shouldn't use my scissors. Maybe I should just use my hands. Oh, here we go. Okay, I got it. They taped it, so it's like, it was a little hard to open it at first. Okay, so it's kind of double wrapped. That's good. And maybe I can cut through this part. I'm so scared. I don't want to cut the shoes. Ah! My other thing about these was that I wasn't sure if the platform itself would be high enough, but it looks like it's a very big platform heel. They're cute. They look cute so far. They're just black so far. I got the black ones with stars on them. I don't see any stars on these. I'm not sure if this is what I ordered. Uh-oh. Oh, yay! The big reveal on camera, and everyone gets to watch me be disappointed. These are just regular platforms. These are not the star ones I ordered. These are not the shoes I ordered. These are just black suede creepers. I ordered star creepers. And they have no shoelaces. Oh wait, no. They're inside. The shoelaces are inside. Well, that was fun. I mean, the black ones are okay, but it's not really what I ordered. Let's see. It just, well, string for shoelaces. Okay, cool. Awesome. Yay. There they are, the shoes I didn't order. Alright. Cool. Really super disappointed, so I don't know. I guess I'll contact the seller. Has anything like this happened to anyone else when you order on eBay? I mean, I guess I should know if it's so cheap. If it's only 15 bucks, it's probably not going to be what I ordered. Because the last time I ordered something off of eBay that I wasn't sure if I was going to get what I ordered, I paid $11 and it was free shipping to order a sweater, like an oversized sweater with some lace trim on the bottom. And the lace had blood in it. So I guess I shouldn't be too surprised. The seller had a really good rating, so I thought that this might be legit, but yeah. Tell me your eBay horror stories in the comments below if anything happened like this to you. If anything, it'll make me feel better about all of this, because at this point I'm just kind of bummed out. Also, they have no padding on the inside really. They're really hard on the inside, and maybe because they're size 8, I could at least put some padding in there if I decide to keep them. I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed. But yeah, tell me your stories. You can tweet your stories to me. I have a Twitter. you can just comment below my YouTube video, or you can send them to me on my Facebook page. But yeah, hope you guys liked my super disappointing shoe unboxing video. And I mean, at least it made for some interesting content, I guess. But yeah, if you want to check out more of my videos, you can subscribe to this channel and check me out on Patreon. Right now my Patreon is heavily supporting my ET Girl webcomic, but if you show any support and any love my way on my Patreon, it also helps me out in being able to continue this channel where I'm showing off my Lolita fashion and kawaii fashion and my DIYs and doing some tutorials and how-tos and just little fun story time and you know, just different fashion blog videos and things like that. Thanks for watching, guys! See you later. I don't know what else to say at this point. Hopefully I'll be happier next time than I was this time. So, see ya!